In this video, I'll show you how to check LinkedIn followers. If you want to see who follows you on LinkedIn, there are two main places to check, depending on what exactly you want to see. LinkedIn's Help Center says you can view your followers from the My Network area under Following and Followers. And LinkedIn also offers follower information through your profile analytics, where you can see total followers and audience insights. Let's start with the most direct method. On desktop, go to the top of LinkedIn and click My Network. Then, in the left panel, open Manage My Network and click Following and Followers. After that, switch to the Followers tab near the top of the page. LinkedIn says this is where you can view your followers directly. If you are checking from your profile instead, LinkedIn also says you can open your profile, scroll to the Analytics section, and select Total Followers to view Audience Analytics. On mobile, LinkedIn's Help page says the path is to open your profile, tap Show All Analytics, and then tap Total Followers. This is useful when you want not only the follower count but also insights about follower growth and follower demographics. It is important to understand the difference between these two views. The Followers page in the Network section is for seeing your follower list, while the Analytics section is more about totals and audience information. If your goal is simply to see who follows you, the My Network route is usually the more direct option. If your goal is to understand trends and audience details, the Analytics route is better. That distinction is based on LinkedIn's separate help pages for follower lists and creator analytics. You should also know that LinkedIn lets you control who can follow you. In your settings, under Visibility and then Followers, LinkedIn says you can choose between everyone on LinkedIn or your connections. So if your follower count seems lower than expected, your follow settings may be part of the reason. Another useful detail is that anyone can follow your public posts and articles if your settings allow it, and LinkedIn says you receive a notification whenever someone who is not a connection follows you. That means your followers are not always the same as your direct connections. That's how to check LinkedIn followers. Open My Network and go to Following and Followers to see your follower list. Or use your profile analytics if you want follower totals and audience insights. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.